Okay, here we go. We got some WWE going now tonight. Sunday night. Change it up a bit, WWE. Let's get this broken. That NASCAR we finally got through. Let's grab some sleeves quick. Got the gloves out, got the top loaders out. Like that, in case there's sticker cards, good. Alright, let's go here. Sleeves. Yeah, this stuff's pretty cool. They've got some nice autos in this. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go with... Alright. There it is. Let's tag everybody to it. Alright. There we go. Moby, you WWE guy? Let me know. I'll tag you on the next one. Alright. Just quick tagging people and then we'll get rolling here. Paste. Chris. Kyle. Bruno. Rob. We've got Anson who got a lot of it. He loves this product. Oh, darn it. There's Josh and George. Of this, you're probably looking around 90 something, 90-ish. I get a little bit of a discount on it, but he's got tons of it. I mean, I could always get this. I didn't see too much then, now, and forever, though. He's got a lot of the Road to WrestleMania stuff right now, and I think Topps Heritage is just coming out for this. I like this product. I think it's cool. I get a lot of people aren't, like, big into it, but as far as a collecting standpoint, but there's pretty good autographs in this. We got a nice Ric Flair the last time. Nice Ricky Steamboat. But yeah, I grew up watching this stuff, so I'm impartial. I know Anson's a diehard. I know you're a diehard, Rob. Yeah, I keep asking him. Well, we'll have to see. All right. Oh, there it is. It blended into the thing a little bit. All right. Let's get some WWE going here. 3 boxes of this WWE Legends. Cool stuff. I like it. I was watching this today, and I'm like, you know what? I'm killing the filler. It worked. 2 mini boxes in each. Remember the last time I opened this, I was on the road going down to Florida and did it from a hotel room. Okay, there's the first box. There they are, empty. There's the second box. There they are, empty. Cool. All right. Good luck, guys. Hopefully we can pull something crazy out of this stuff. Let's start her up. So we're going by... Here, let me do this first. We're going by alphabet. So that's kind of how it looks. So if the last name, like say, I don't know, say it's Chris Jericho. The first letter of the last name, J, would be who it goes to. So something like weird, like X-Pac, it would be P. I have it kind of listed in the posts. But we're going to go by the last name. If it's just Kane, one word, it's K. So that's how we're going to do it. Big Show would be S. Just so we know how I'm looking at it. I'm not going by their, like, real names. I'm going by whatever their stage names are. Alright, and all cards ship, so we'll go like that. So the first one's Tanaka. Oh, right away. Second card, we got Sting. Oh, so S snags it. Look at that. I'd be happy with that auto. Boom, what a way to start. Who's got S? Anson. Oh, no problem. I'm not worried. I deal with you guys a lot. No issue. Awesome first hit. Sting. Then we got Finley. Don Morocco. I remember him. And there's Ric Flair. So far we have Sting. And we got Kane. Booker T, Yokozuna. We got Randy Orton and Beth Phoenix. Alright. I'm looking for the hits namer. This is only the first box. Andre the Giant. Why am I having issues with this? It's probably because of that gold on it. It doesn't like the gold. There we go. Triple H, numbered 9 out of 25. There you go. Right up at the top there. And a numbered Triple H. So that would go to H. 9 out of 25. And then we have some of these dual guys. I think how we did them last time. It's 1, 2, 3 Kid, X-Pac. It's driving me nuts with this stuff. Give me a second. Let me see if I can get it. That's better. And we've got Ted DiBiase, $1 Million Man. And we've got, it was Michael P. Hayes and then Doc Hendricks. So they're kind of there. I'll keep them separate. I think we random them last time, left and right side. Alright. Alright, we got Gorilla Monsoon, and then we have an auto right behind it. You ready? Michael Cole. You got a Michael Cole autograph. That goes to C. One of the announcers. Not really an announcer, more of a commentator. Still pretty cool. It's got chicken scratch like my dad. So C got on the board. That would be Anson out of the filler. Last spot. Ultimate Warrior, one of my favorites. Shawn Michaels, Kurt Angle. What do we got here? Alright, we got Kevin Von Erich. Oh, and what do we got? Lex Luger. L. Autograph. Authentic shirt relic. Numbered 87 out of 99. Lex Luger. Nice. Lex Luger and Sting in the same box. And Michael Cole. That's pretty cool. That's kind of like the Ricky Steamboat one we pulled before. That's kind of thin. Will that fit in one of these? I don't know. Yes, it will. Perfect. 55-pointer. Sweet. All right. Not yet, but we're just starting. Jim the Anvil Neidhart, Jake the Snake. And let's see what we got here. This will be the first mini box wrapped up. Rowdy Piper, Chief J Strongbow, Big John Studd. We got some Daniel Bryant, and we got Sheldon Benjamin. Nice. What else? We have Cowboy Bob Orton and then Norman Smiley. There you go. This one's numbered. 91 out of 99. Are any of these? That one's numbered on that. Is this numbered on the back? Oh, Michael Cole's 18 out of 50. I didn't realize they were all numbered. That's 99. Sting is 50 out of 199. So they're numbered. Norman Smiley goes to S. So Sting, and you got two of them. S has two. There you go. And then we've got Bobby Lashley, Stone Cold, and Sid Vicious. There we are. There's Edge. Paul Orndorff, I remember him. Mr. Wonderful. He stole Hulk Hogan's song. Honky Tonk Man, D'Lo Brown, and Bob Backlund. Yeah, I remember his feuds with, what was that guy? The Iron Sheik and Bob Backlund. Remember that back in the day? I remember that. Gold Dust. George the Animal Steel eating the ring posts. Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Mr. Perfect and Sergeant Slaughter. Let me see something. Yeah. This one's a little thicker. Yeah, we got a relic card. There's Miss Elizabeth. And then we've got Lita. Autographed WWE, what is it? Commemorative ring. Numbered 11 out of 50. Nice card there. Got a Lita autograph. It's a little bit thicker top loader sleeve. This is a pretty good box so far. Got some good hits in this. And that's 90, I think. Will that fit? No, that's 34. I'm going to get a 197. So L. Who's got L? Anson. Pretty cool. That is cool. I mean, there's some nice cards in this. This Legends is pretty cool. Alright, what do we got here? We got a Big Bubba Rogers and Big Boss Man Identity Crisis. I'll put that here. That's a bronze. Big Show. Triple H. Trish Stratus. And another Identity Crisis with the Godfather and the Good Father. I put these in the wrong pile. There you go. And last pack of the first box. Got some big hits right off the bat. We still have two more to go. Terry Runnels, bronze. We got Identity Crisis between Razor Ramon and Scott Hall. We got Fujinami. We got Stevie Ray. I'm having trouble reading. That's why I'm putting them up. Lex Luger. And that wraps her up. Good first box. Good first box. I'm going to move these over a little bit because I'm going to put them over here. I'll keep putting them in that pile. All right, box two. Here we go. What would be fun is if we can get enough people into WWE that can do a case of this stuff. Imagine how many good autographs you pull out of a full case. Be fun anyway. I just think it's fun. And you can get some good Legend autographs in this. Okay, they're open. Who are we going to get next? Empty. And then we've got empty. Alright, here we go. Box two. Good luck. Alright, what do we got here? Ken Shamrock. Bronze up. That looks like a 1 of 1 we got here. This looks like it is Haku. Cyan printing plate 101. There you go. You got a Haku. There's H. That's Anson. 1 of 1. Get that sleeved up for you. There you go. And then we have Terry Runnels again, Tanaka, and Kane. And what do we got here? Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Is it? Oh, that's cool. You got his 1 of 1. Gorilla Monsoon, Kevin Von Erich, and Roddy Piper. 1 of 1 Haku. The Brian Kendrick. Dusty Rhodes, 1 of 10. There you go. That's a gold. He was one of my favorites coming up, too. I liked it when he teamed up with the Road Warriors and fought the Russians. Remember that? Koloffs. Dusty Rhodes, 1 of 10. So R. That's Anson. And then we've got William Regal. Alundra Blaze. An identity crisis between Earthquake and the Shark. Put that over here. Yeah, those I typically just random left and right. And either the left side gets it or the right side gets it. It makes it easier. Undertaker. Here we go. Sika autograph. There you go. So we got Haku and Sika. This one's 182 out of 199. All right. Is he one of the Wild Samoans? I forget. Those guys are pretty good to watch too back in the day. It's another S. S is doing well. Oh, another one that's Rock's cousin. Identity Crisis Terry Taylor and the Red Rooster. There is Jamal and Umaga. And then Rick Rude. I like Rick Rude. He was great. Alright. We've got Wendy Richter. Bronze. We've got Mark Henry. Jerry the King Lawler. Freddie Blassie. And Batista. I see that. What do we got? We got a bronze Kono Mustafa and the Iron Sheik Identity Crisis. Bronze. We got Sting. We got an Identity Crisis between Erwin R. Shyster and Michael Wall Street. We got one between Albert and Tenzai. And then we got The Rock. Alright, that was the first little box out of box 2. About halfway there. Let's hope the second half has some ridiculous hits too. There's Bobby Lashley bronze, and we got an auto right behind it. It's bronze, and it is another Sika. Interesting. Bronze version, 18 out of 99. So 2 of them in this box. Different variations, but 2 nonetheless. So S is doing very well so far. Jeff Hardy, Vader, and then we got Brutus the Barber Beefcake and the Zodiac. That's a huge identity difference, right? Alright, Stone Cold Steve Austin bronze. Identity crisis between Farouk and Ron Simmons. Yeah, S is doing pretty well. Bret the Hitman Hart, Dusty Rhodes, and Ken Shamrock. What do we got here? We got Sid Vicious bronze. Dragon Steamboat. We got the Brian Kendrick, Undertaker, and Wendy Richter. And Mr. Wonderful, Paul Orndorff, bronze. And we've got a Gold Dust. Looks like a dual authentic shirt relic, number to 25 for G. Who's got G? Josh Gold for Gold Dust. Nice. Gold Dust. Let's see if that feels a little bit thicker. I don't know if it'll fit in this. No, it won't. I think I've got some 120s over there. I'll have to put it in that, but we'll put it here for now. There's G. That's a sweet looking card. Autographed and everything. There's Iron Sheik and Colonel Mustafa Identity Crisis. Alright, getting down to the bottom of box 2. Honky Tonk Man. Fit Finley. Numbered 44 out of 50. So F gets 1. That's going to be Rob Goldman. Numbered card. Fit Finley. He used to jump in and do push-ups and everything, right? If I remember right. That is a sweet card. Lashley, Austin, and Vicious. Last pack of box 2. I'm going to jump into the last one. I hope we get some crazy card coming. We've already gotten a couple good ones. D'Lo Brown. Mr. Wonderful, Honky Tonk Man, see D'Lo Brown, and Bob Backlund in this one. And that's 2 boxes down. I almost sliced my finger on that one. Wouldn't that be something? Do it live on camera. There's 2. JUV. Okay, yeah, see. That would be a good one. We've gotten Ric Flair, Ricky Steamboat. We've gotten Sting. We've gotten Big Show in the past. They're here. Let's see what we get. There's that box. And then we've got this box. Empty. Alright, there they are. Let's see what we grab out of this one. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we get some good ones here. Alright, there's Chief J Strongbow Bronze. And we got an auto right behind it. Erwin R. Shyster. Man, S is just dominating. IRS. He signs it. Yeah, that too. That would be cool. Okay, and then we have Hacksaw Jim Duggan, Mr. Perfect, and Sergeant Slaughter. Big John Studd Bronze. We got a numbered Identity Crisis. Albert and Tensai. That one's numbered, so that'll be random to A and T. Who's got A? George, and T is Anson. So I'll put that one aside. Let's put it in with the other Identity Crisis. Basically, it'll be left versus right. Big Show, Triple H, and Trish Stratus. Alright, let's see what we got here. Daniel Bryant. We got an Identity Crisis between the Good Father and the Godfather again. Scott Hall and Razor Ramon. And then we've got Fujinama and Stevie Ray. And Sheldon Benjamin Bronze. And we got an autograph right behind that one. Ted DiBiase. Nice. The little money signs. He was great. Who's got D? That's Anson. And it's silver, so it's number 26 out of 50. Sweet. $1 Million Man's autograph. And when they say legends, you're getting some legends autographs, that's for sure. Alright, what else we got? Lex Luger, Fit Finley, Don Morocco. Yeah, I'll keep this stuff coming. I'm not giving up on WWE. If you guys like it, let me know and I'll tag you. Sherry Martel. She was unbelievable as a heel. Booker T, Ric Flair, Yokozuna, and Randy Orton. Now this one's thick. This is probably a relic. It is. The first card is Mustafa and Kama, bronze. Oh, wow. Hacksaw Jim Duggan, 43 out of 99. Autograph commemorative ring card. That's sweet. Be neat if they gave us a piece of the wood that he had, you know what I mean? As a relic. Let me get these thicker one, thicker sleeve. Nice card there. So Lita and Hacksaw Jim Duggan. I think they're still yelling that out at sporting events. They all go, "Ho!" It's funny. Nice for D. Hanson gets that one. Alright. There's Identity Crisis, Michael P. Hayes and Don Hendricks. And we got an auto right behind that. Trish Stratus. She even is giving us hugs and kisses on this one. And that's bronze, and that is 20 out of 99. Nice. She's one of the first, I guess, well, not one of the first, but one of the mainstream first women to get into it. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. The Rock, Jeff Hardy, and Vader. What else we got here? We got the Ultimate Warrior bronze. We've got another one of these Zodiac, Brutus the Barber Beefcake Identity Crisis. We got Ron Simmons and Farouk. Yeah, seriously. Bret the Hitman Hart and Dusty Rhodes. She usually shows up when we're having like that women's Royal Rumble event kind of thing. I think she was in that this year, wasn't she? They came out of the woodworks. Shawn Michaels bronze, Shamrock, Ricky the Dragon, Brian Kendricks, the Brian Kendricks, and there's Undertaker. Come on, let's end it with a big one. Let's end it with a big one here. Let's see what we're going to get here on these last 3 packs. We got Kurt Angle bronze. We got a good one here. You ready? Kevin Nash. Authentic shirt. Autograph number 99 out of 99. Nice. N gets one there at the end. Who's N? Anson. Kevin Nash. No, I don't like that one. I'll put this in a thicker one. I think I have, pretty sure I've got some 120s that'll fit these better. I'll just set it in that for now. Kevin Nash, 99 out of 99. Nice card. He's definitely a legend. Wendy Richter, and then Colonel Mustafa and the Iron Sheik Identity Crisis. 2 left. What are we getting? We've had some big hits, big names. Jim the Anvil Neidhart bronze. Bobby Lashley, Stone Cold, Sid Vicious, and Mr. Wonderful. And we're down to the last pack, 3 boxes. Alright. You guys want another box? Jake the Snake, Honky Tonk Man, D'Lo Brown, Bob Backlund, and Jim the Anvil Animal. George the Animal Steel. Tell you what I'm going to do. You guys are diehards. I'm going to do this because I got 1 extra sitting here. I'm going to toss this in it. Let's just break this too. Because I don't think he has much more of that. I'd rather do it as groups than mixers on this. It's easier. So we're adding a box. How about that? Then, now, and forever. Let's do this one too. Give you guys a chance to get a little bit extra. See what we can grab out of this. Yeah, I want WWE guys in here. Come on. Tell all your friends that like WWE to get in here. I'd love to get this going. This stuff's fun. Alright, there's the empty box. There you go. We got a bunch of packs here to open. We'll see what we can get for you yet. We're not done. Here we go. Let's go through these. Alright, what do we got here? We've got... You're looking for... this kind is one of them. They're parallels. You see the difference in color between them? So I'll sleeve all these a while. Probably get a bunch of them in one box. And a lot of these are just base. Eric Young rookie card. What if we pull a Ricochet, right? What else we got in here? We've got Mr. Perfect. We got Dolph Ziggler. We got Roddy Piper. Baron Corbin. A Tommy rookie card. Rick Moss, Seth Rollins. I'm changing it up. Those of you who are just coming on, I'm throwing in an extra box. McMahon's Limousine Explodes. Goldberg. And we got another one of the parallels. Carl Anderson. I'm just going to set them there with the rookies. I'll sleeve them up in a little while. Vanessa Bourne. There's Billy Kay rookie card of the Iconics. Well, there's Ricochet. I'll definitely sleeve that one. First NXT card. Cool to get his auto, wouldn't it? Out of nowhere. I just happen to have the box that gets it. Watch. Yeah, he's pretty popular. I'll sleeve him. What else we got? Yeah, you are. I'll definitely tag you on it. What do you guys think Topps Heritage would be cool? Well, I could get more. I like the Legends. I'll get that until I can't get it anymore. There's Nakamura. There is Mark Andrews rookie card. There's Roman Reigns. Yeah, this stuff's cool. I like it. It's not necessarily liking this for the fact that it's like a huge collector thing like baseball and longevity of it, but I don't know, it's just fun. Nikki Cross. There's a Ronda. That's a parallel Nikki Cross. And then there's a Ronda Rousey rookie card. Let me throw her in a sleeve. That's a little bit... She'll be worth something someday, watch. Oh, okay. I'll get some Heritage. I think that's just coming out, right? Killian Dane, rookie card. A lot of these guys are moving into the... I've been watching it here and there on Mondays, and a lot of these NXT people are getting moved in. It's kind of fun to see some new faces. Triple H, Scott Hall. There's Nikki Bella. Sasha Banks. Velveteen Dream. Shawn Michaels, and then there's Edge. What else we got here? The Miz. Kurt Angle. There's a Ted DiBiase parallel. $1 Million Man. See the difference in color? You got Jeff Hardy, Dolph Ziggler, Bobby Lashley, and there's a... He's getting... Cien Almas rookie card. He's moved up, I think. If I remember right. Yeah, he's dressed up in a suit and he's got the girl with him. Daniel Bryan and Kane. Ric Flair and Triple H. Roddy Piper. There's Danny Burch. First NXT card. There's David Otunga. Jason Jordan. And Kona Reeves. What else we got? We got Stone Cold. Bret the Hitman. And you got Woken Matt Hardy. I think they're back as a tag team, right? That's his parallel. No Way Jose rookie card. Samoa Joe, Andre, and Taynara Conti. Waiting to see what we're going to get here autograph-wise. Jeff Hardy, Triple H, $1 Million Man, Woken Matt Hardy. There's Liv Morgan's rookie card. I've pulled her auto out of this already. There's the first NXT card of Hanson. And Dakota Kai. I have a question if I'm having any pick your wrestler case. It'd be kind of cool. There's just so many wrestlers to pick from. That's why I kind of lean towards the alphabet. It'd be like a 200 spot break, but I don't know. I mean, there's got to be a way to do it. Liv Morgan rookie card. And that's her parallel. Bray Wyatt, Bayley, Carl Anderson, and Nikki Cross. Yeah, do me a favor. If you're watching this and you're in the WWE in any way, shape, or form, just comment tag in the post for this break. Like, go back to the actual break post and let me know you're interested in this kind of stuff, and I'll make sure I tag you. There's like a limited amount in the tag poll that show this, but there's an Eric Young rookie card. There's Rowe, first NXT. I would love to get this build up. I build hockey up pretty well. I would love to get this build up too. I love breaking this stuff. It's fun. Like, I get excited. It brings back memories for me. I used to watch this my whole life. There's first ever draft. Mankind and The Rock. Here's Hanson parallel, first NXT. Macho Man. Mojo Rawley, Lacey Evans, and Goldust. Yeah, I've been trying to think of different ways. I might have to do a pick your wrestler. It just might have to be a bigger break for it. It'll be cheaper because it'll be spread out more. Roddy Piper. There's Ember Moon rookie card. I pulled her auto. That was the first auto I pulled out of the first box that I broke of this. It was her. It was like the second card. Drake Maverick. There's Alexander Wolf coming off the top. A rookie card. We're due for a couple autos here. Or maybe an auto and a relic. Goldberg, Shawn Michaels. There's Dakota Kai parallel. I think they're bronze parallels if I remember right. Randy Orton, Rusev, Shayna Baszler. Yeah, that's one that's confusing. I think that's just a background for her. I'm going to pull it out anyway. It looks bronze. I don't think it is. Zelina Vega. Rookie card. Yeah, this will help some of you that didn't get a hit in the... will help you get some more cards anyway. With the alphabets from the last break. Just adding this to it. There's Lita, Stone Cold, Rowan, Kalisto, and Fandango. And we're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. We're bound to pull something soon. D-Generation X, Ringmaster. There's a bronze Bray Wyatt. Parallel card. McIntyre, Strowman, Alexa Bliss. I got her auto too. Raul Mendoza, first NXT card. Oh, cool. How is it? What's going on? Give me the play-by-play. There's a blue autograph of EC3. Or is that the background? It's numbered 14 out of 50. So E picks that one up. EC3. That's Anson. Number to 50. There you go. And then we've got Scott Stanford, Sheamus, Jake the Snake, and Sting. Can't believe we pulled a Sting autograph. That's awesome. Kevin Nash we got. Goldust. Lita. There's Samoa Joe. Parallel. Big Show. Akon. Rookie card from the AOP. Luke Gallows. Eddie Guerrero. Alright, so Bobby, you're into WWE race. Alright, I'll have to remember that too. Booker Knight. There's Ruby Riott, rookie card. There's the other half of AOP, Razor, rookie card. And Nick Miller. Alright, what else we got here? We got John Cena. We got Stone Cold. There's a Conti parallel. Tyler Breeze, Mr. Perfect. There's Becky Lynch. Cool to get her auto. Candice LeRae. Yeah, I haven't gotten her auto yet, Becky Lynch. She seems to be the hottest thing out there right now. 1, 2, 3 Kid. The Shield. The Shield's back. Fabian Cassius Ono. There's a rookie card of Peyton Royce. Iconics. Sami Zayn. Tino Sanabatelli. Last 2 packs. This one feels a little bit thicker. Is this our relic card? No. No, it just felt thicker. Triple H. Andre the Giant. Parallel card. We got Bret Hart, Dozovich, Mandy Rose, and what do we got? Last pack. There's the relic card. The final card of the whole thing is going to go to Rusev. Matt Relic. Pretty cool. It's gold. It's number 136 out of 199. It's from the Royal Rumble 2018. Matt Relic card. For Rusev. Yeah, I think it was good to throw this particular box in. Just to get a couple more things out of it. They, yeah, doing it by itself or doing a couple of these, you just don't get as many hits. So cool. All right, let me recap it. Let me get all these packs out of here. I'll have to get some more WWE this week. All right. These are the hits that we pulled from 3 boxes of WWE Legends and 1 box of Then, Now, and Forever. Got a Rusev Royal Rumble. Matt Relic. EC3. Blue autograph number to 50. Well, now we got a Ricochet on first NXT card. We got a Kevin Nash shirt relic autograph. 99 out of 99. That's a sweet pull. Trish Stratus giving us X's and O's, hugs and kisses autograph. Number to 99. Got a sweet Hacksaw Jim Duggan auto commemorative ring, number to 99. That's an awesome hit. Ted DiBiase, $1 Million Man, silver, number to 50. Thank you, Chris. Good, I like it. Erwin R. Shyster autograph. We got Fit Finley, number to 50. We got Gold Dust, dual shirt relic, number to 25 auto. That's pretty cool. We got one Sika, two Sika. 2 of them. One's bronze, the other one isn't. This one's number to 99. This one's number to 199. Dusty Rhodes, number to 10, gold parallel. We got Haku, 1 of 1 cyan printing plate autograph. That's sweet. Lita autograph, number to 50, commemorative ring. That's a cool one. Norman Smiley bronze. I don't know who he is. 91 out of 99. And there's a beauty. Sting autograph. Number to 199. He's a legend. Triple H number to 25. Michael Cole's autograph. Silver number to 50. And Lex Luger. Authentic shirt. Autograph relic. 87 out of 99. Pretty awesome. I like it. I'm going to get more of that stuff. We're going to keep doing the WWE Legends, and I'll keep trying to find ways to fill it quicker. So nice. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for getting in. I'll tag all of you. If you want to be in them, just tag me in the WWE post that we just did, this break post. Not the video, but the post itself. And I will make sure I tag you to the next one. And we'll get more and more people involved in them. And, you know, keep that moving. I know there's fans out there. So, yeah, maybe pick your wrestler might be the way to do the next one. All right. I appreciate it. Have a great week. and I will talk to you later. If you have any questions, message me. Thanks again.